Having a clean exterior on your RV or camper is just as essential as ensuring the engine runs smoothly and the generator provides enough power. Cleaning your RV or camper's exterior is a vital part of your travel preparations. A clean RV or camper not only provides peace of mind, but also helps extend the overall life of your rig and slow the depreciation of its value. Throughout the year, your RV's exterior faces the sun, rain, snow, dust, and other elements that could harm its appearance and systems. Factors such as bugs, mud, and saltwater moisture can stain the exterior and cause problems in some cases. Regularly cleaning the outside of your RV helps extend its service life, keep maintenance costs down, and maintain its value. We use a soft wash method that will clean your RV or camper gently and safely. Our solutions are eco-friendly and biodegradable and are made to kill and remove all the growing organics off the roof and sides without damaging the surfaces. This is a low-cost way of cleaning your camper and RV without having to spend hours doing it yourself and not being out enjoying it. Give us a call today and start enjoying your time outside instead of spending hours cleaning your RV or camper. Thank you for watching.